Hello guys, that's me, Dylan, back in another video, and today we are at a fireworks stand, and these are what we got last time. These are the little Jack-in-the-Box.
Oh, that's what you're talking about.
Yeah, these are really good.
Okay.
They're $1.49.
Yes, okay. So get like three. Okay.
Let's get three of those.
Yeah.
What are those? Wait, hold on. Read the back. It should say what it does. It says Firework Division 1.4 Explosive. Let's see, what does it happen? Moves on grind, emits whistle, flame, and sparks. So it's like a Sharknado shark thing. Here. Okay, so we have more prices, things. We got some stuff over here. There's got some of these.
But what is it?
These are cuckoos. These are cuckoos. It's a huge bomb. And they're really cool. Okay. They're like huge crack. These are like the crackling balls, except for they're more advanced and they're really big. Mighty Cobra is it's a firework thing. It's a cake that shoots up in the air. It's got 19 shots.
Okay, I don't have very much money, so pick a few more things and we're done.
Okay. Let's see. We got these little smoke bombs. They look pretty fun. They got some tank fireworks over here. Just little tanks. And we got Saturn missiles. Oh, this one's missing one. Let's see if we can get a buy one, get one free. These ones are cool. Magical Barrage. Saturn missiles. Here's some more of these Saturn missiles. Here's this one. It still doesn't have frame in it. There's these planes. They fly up into the air, I think. These are 99 cents. These are 99 cents. These are buy one, get one free. But they're like little black snakes, so they're little dinky ones. What are these? Silver or sliver or silver? This is a flying saucer. Let's see. Let's see. There's a flying whistle wheel. This looks cool. Oh, can I do it right now?
No.
Flying saucer. Whistle wheel. These are whistle wheels. These are cool. These are cool. Little whistle wheels. I didn't even get to pick one out yet. So. Dancing butterfly. Giant mammoth smoke.
I've never seen this one.
I don't know how much it is, so let's look.
This is a spin $1.25 flower. Small bees. Small bees. They got some value packs over here with some like friendship fountains and little Saturn missiles. We got ground balloons, a whole bunch of them too. These are big ground balloons. These are jumbo crackling ground balloons. These ones crackle. These are cool. There was like ones that fly into the air. We should get one of these little Saturn missiles. Should get some of these. Hey, Mom. Mom.
2000. Doesn't Dad buy shit like that?
Yeah. He bought an Excalibur. One of these.
What's an Excalibur?
Excalibur is like a box. These are Excaliburs. Right here.
You're gonna see one whole show then. Look at you.
Dad buys a whole bunch of those. These are Roman candles. There's a paint the sky. These little things are cute. I guess they're like little things. There was one little ground balloon that flies into the air. I want to find that one. I'm gonna find the ground balloon that flies into the air. Let's find that one. Ooh, these ones are Purple Storm. It must be like some color thing. These are parachuters with actually little action figures. Yay. Let's find a buy one get one free. Bees in a thicket. $24. This is a Happy Firework 36 shot. It's a fountain. 40.
No, that's not the right one. That doesn't say Happy Shot. It says Lightning Strike.
Lightning Strike. Happy Shot. Then this is this Happy
no,
Shot.
That's Truck Yeah.
Truck Yeah for $20. Happy Shot. Today Extreme Fireworks.
Give me the light smoke up. I'll make you
Happy Fireworks. American Dream Fireworks. Ooh. Word. Where is it?
So like a bigger one of those. I know. I said a bigger one of those.
These are parachuters. They're parachutes. They're nice. I want to find those like flying ones. Are they over here? They may be over here. Where are they? They're like flying ground balloons, like ones that spin and go into the air. Ground balloon with a bang. These are exploding ones. Or the ones that don't explode, that go into the air. Let's see.
I know, that's not the way that goes.
Ground balloon with a bang, buy one, get one. Buy one, get one.
Wait, did your mom allow that?
99 cents, we can probably get like two of these. Or three. Hey Mom, can we get these?
Bigger than that. It needs to be like...
No, I think that's perfect.
Mom,
No, it's not.
Oh, okay.
Mom, can we get 3 of these? These are only 99 cents.
No, we're done.
Oh, we are?
Oh, you can get...
Sure,
and then we're done.
Okay.
Lightning strike.
I'm looking for...
Okay. Oh, no, but I'm going to give you pop.
Tell me pretty lies, look me in the face. Tell me that you love me, even if it's fake.